Hello friends. So I already tried to make you a video about drawing a reindeer and it didn't work. So this morning I'm going to try again. I hope you liked that book. And now I hope you're going to like making this. All you need is your white piece of paper and your black crayon. This is not a crayon. This is a pen, but Miss Tristan can't find her black crayon. You're going to want to use your crayon though because the wax in the crayon will help keep your paint all in the right place when we're all done and we paint our picture, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is take your pointer finger of the hand that you don't write with. So I write with my right hand, so I'm going to take my left pointer finger. If you write with your left hand, then you're going to take your right pointer finger. So your non-writing hand, your finger is going to go right there in the middle of the bottom of your paper. And we're going to draw a line on either side of our finger. This side, and then that side. And it should look like that. That is going to be our reindeer's neck. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take our non-writing hand. So again, that's my left, okay? And I'm going to put it right on top of the neck. And then I'm going to draw a circle all the way around my hand. And because my hand is long, that circle is actually going to be an oval. See? But it's not connected to the neck. So I'm just going to take these lines and connect it to my neck. It's a little wonky, but it's okay. It's my reindeer. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw another oval, but this oval is going to be right here at the bottom of our reindeer's head. It's going to be his big, beautiful nose. Next, we're going to draw two more ovals. These are going to be at the top of the reindeer's head, okay? And these are going to be the reindeer's eyes. And inside those eyes, we're going to give him a couple little black eyeballs. Now, one thing you could do is if you had a white crayon, you could color in the inside of those eyeballs. That way, when you're painting, the wax in the white crayon will also help all the paint stay away from those eyeballs and they'll stay white. But if you don't have a white crayon, just leave them white and we'll work around them. Okay, next we need antlers. So we're going to go right up here to the top of the paper, and we're going to draw a line to the corner of the paper. See my corner up there? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now they kind of look like antennas, so we need to add to them a little bit, all right? We're going to add some more lines. I'm going to do one over here, one over here, and one over here. So I added 3. If you want to do more than 3, you can. Do the same thing to this side. And there's our antlers. And he's looking pretty fine, ready to fly any sleigh, I think. But I think his neck might get cold, so we're going to give him a scarf. We're going to draw just a little arc on his neck here and another little arc on his neck down here. And that's the part that's wrapped around his neck. Now we have the rest of the scarf to draw. So all we're going to do is make a rectangle starting at this line, go out and down and back over to this line. And that's part of the scarf. Now we're going to make a little diagonal line. So somewhere along this part of the rectangle, you're going to go up and then down. And that's the other part of his scarf. You can draw little lines on the end, like the strands of the scarf. And then you can also give your scarf stripes. And that's our really cute reindeer. But he's kind of white and black, and we want him to be colorful. So the next thing you're going to do is take your watercolor paints, and you're going to paint your whole reindeer, okay? Now, remember, when you're doing your paints, you have to have some water, okay? And the first thing you'll do is dip your paintbrush in the water, and then you'll choose your color. And I'm going to choose red first, because I'm going to make my reindeer look like Rudolph. So I want his nose to be or hers, Rudolph is kind of a boy name, but I'm going to get the red, and I'm going to paint my whole big nose, okay? And I'm not going to sit here and paint my whole reindeer for you because I don't think I can upload a video that long. But I do want to finish the nose and change colors so that you can remember one very important thing. So I'm kind of being fast here painting my nose, but you can take your time because you have all day to make your beautiful reindeer, okay? So now I'm done with the red. Do I dip right into the brown? Nope, gotta rinse my paintbrush first. Rinse it really, really good. And look, my water's turning pink. And then I go to my brown and I get it really wet, and that way the red doesn't bleed into the brown, and I can start painting all the brown parts of my reindeer. Remember, we're going to want to keep the eyes white, and then when you're all done painting the reindeer brown, you can go down and you can paint your scarf whatever color you want. I painted my scarf green with white stripes. I can't wait to see how yours turns out. Please, please, please send me a picture.